Hi ma'am, Capex Beauty da amuhana welcome to Zari. Ngasigi video se Miniso gi products khara share to zabane. Aina sida chatluba Miniso gi store se sida anu product makhan yam la ame aduga phaza pot sui adum leirame. Generally speaking, everyday use kidi I think Miniso gi products ma'am say they're quite good. High price to go yeng taragati atopa phangiba market key products ma'am sika moi quality se yam high way, especially moi gi makeup ki range to idea dum phayen khale. Ahanbada aina share tawzari se candles ne aduga sigi candles se aigi manam sina lemongrass ne. Candles habase it's not for everybody, but ID candles minus scented over candle habase I really like it. Aduga Miniso gi se it's quite cheap. Haidi matam yam kuina sangna adum thaba yai aduga mangonda yaru mai scent to adusu it's quite strong. Haidi thara kanda manam yaudu da adu to so I enjoyed this. Next, I really like their sanitary napkins. Haidi moida seasonariba moi material do yam soft oil. And sometimes summer gumba or minus sweat kitang thopa kana rashes thopa do adudu disi Miniso kisida I haven't found. Aduga another sanitary napkin se Japanese technology manamara di khangde but Sophie do adusu it's like that. So Sophie do haina taraga disi Miniso kisa you can definitely give it a try. Next, I share tawzari se sigi cotton buds se sigi magi box ne sise khigi face mask or serum or any kaino da toner gumba da hana dip taraga ma se full face mask oirapane aduna it's quite nice to use. Next, I Miniso gi use to se moigi cotton pad se sise use to we yam kuina chatpane sigi box se but the only issue sigi cotton pad se ma se kitang harsh oy na khale skin da aduna yam kana rub tawbuda adudi tawbuda kitang nungai tabane kitang kan mane sise. Next ki product se moigi hand sanitizer holder haigadra sisine I really like the yala chapel since we have to carry a sanitizer all the time. Next moigi sigi headband se it's very comfortable, it's very easy to use. Sise anobule apane I've already been using another one. Next ki product se nail polish remover ne I really like using nail polish every single day. Aduna ayamba matamda I always paint my nails. Aduna nail polish remover aphaba amase it's very nice, convenient way. Aduga smaina pads over se yam nungai aduga sigi Miniso gi se 40 rupees pibane but sigi product sigi khwaiding nungai ba ma se saina single pad amada mahi do yam yaw aduna single pad am khangna akhoi at least hand fingers tara se sigi dum more than enough oil if color do yam light oil gumba mo oil targa de so maximum ani dagi hen ka sizina da bane so I really like this one as well. Next ki se moi sigi mini pony gi pore vanisher smoothing powders ne sise actually kaino ne powder foundation da adudu ne ma se coverage yam kana laiba potinate but magi finish se yam phazaba yam skin like oiba aduga kitang matte oiba ma pi. Next product se mahaziki range mini pony do adudugi blossom rose water CC cream ne siki product se I really like it aduga ajikti if I have to go out I use it every single day because mangon the pi se full coverage tinatte but daily use ki disi se yam phazai hadi natural finish pi plus glow ma pi aduga best thing is ma se pores clog taraga khoi uring thok breakouts tawdo adubokti adudo ai ngasi bokti thengna de so I really like using this. Next moi eyeliner do adudo amalere e aduga ai ngasi color se copper color high gadra adamai tawe sigi eyeliner se magi tips se am fine way aduna I am defined oiba yekpa yai aduga magi color se sisisu it's quite nice color makhan lakpane aina sigi saina brown copper oiba se phajaina lairapane aduga sigi eyeliner se pura smudge free ne. ahanbagi se moi flawless matte lip gloss to aduga colors na 01T rose ne aduga next ta aina lora isna velvet matte liquid lipstick ne aduga color na 02 cherry ne sigi liquid lipstick se magi tip se dum standard oiba applicator do yaure aduga magi pigmentation se it's very high I think ma se 300 rupees la kainom bi bane aduga sigi lip gloss na I really like this color natural but nude over palm mina de I think they will really like this one taibu da su nungai aduga it stays on for quite a long time haidi chaba thakpa yam extreme da taw da taragadi aduga mabani gi sigi ani makki color se it will be quite flattering to all skin tones. Next nail polish sima laura aina laura iba nail polish nga si glitter yawune I think nail polish ki yeng taragadi Miniso gi nail polish se adum ai quality layna hainini hadi atopa 100 rupees ki makha da leba atopa brand ga compare taw taragadi Miniso gi na definitely higher quality. Ngasi video city product mayam share tawre mayam karamba use tawke do makhagi comments da adum haibirao aduga if you have any other questions or any other queries aigi IG profile makhagi description box da yawune aduda su haibirao aduga last time ye giveaway winner Sangeeta adusu congratulations again mathang da su giveaway mayam tawjarake ngasi gidi sidalo shinjarage thank you bye.